welcome back. We're gonna do another challenge, and this is a new pretty face. This is our mommy. She's gonna join us today. I'm excited because you haven't been in any videos with us before. From Wendy's, it's the spicy fresco chicken, jalapeno fresco chicken. Basically, it has like red jalapenos on the bun, or in the bun, and then it has like pepper jack cheese, ghost pepper sauce, and jalapenos. I did get extra ghost pepper sauce.
Oh my god.
So if you enjoy it that much, you can add more on. Just saying.
I don't see it happening.
I'm probably not going to enjoy this very much. Oh, this is working really well, Joey. I feel dangerous.
The knife works fine, maybe it's the operator.
Now you see where I get the smart ass remarks from. Do y'all want extra sauce?
No.
There's two of them.
One for you and one for you.
I don't think so.
Should I do it long ways for Joey so it's more?
No. It doesn't matter, it's round.
Okay. You should be on our videos more often.
There's not a round. I mean, there's not a long part
I mean-
round.
Okay.
More of it? No pun intended.
Yeah. Oh god, we're starting that. Oh, chill. I need a timer. You can time us. My onions are coming off.
How come it's time?
We're gonna have 2 minutes to eat the whole half.
Oh.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, first one to finish the sandwich gets their milk first.
I like smell the spices.
Oh my god, smell it, smell it. Okay.
Making my eyes water just smelling it.
Set, go. Oh, in the carpet. Oh.
Oh my god.
It's actually good.
That was spicy.
And that was stupid. Why lick the sauce?
I don't know. I think I got more sauce than you did.
Minute 30.
Mine's oozing everywhere.
This is messy. It's very good though.
It's really good. It's really hot.
I'm breaking sweat.
My armpits are sweating.
1 minute.
Joey's gonna be the winner.
When I breathe, it's like hot.
Sweat. You know if I have a Pepsi because that's not milk.
No.
30 seconds.
The winner.
I had a lot of jalapenos on my.
Joey about the same. Maybe not.
Not anymore.
5 seconds.
I'm making it. I'm gonna finish it because it's good.
I'm sweating.
Me too.
Are you gonna have a heart attack? Please don't have a heart attack.
I'm not that old.
I didn't mean it like old. I think I'm gonna have a heart attack.
No, maybe yours was harder than mine. Dad should have done this because he would have liked this.
Oh my god. Okay, put your finger in that and then touch your tongue with it. You lose like, it goes numb.
My lips are numb.
Yeah, I'm going to like all the way around. Did it go numb? Okay, I'm getting milk.
When did we get to have our milk?
Go ahead!
We have to wait like for you three to
No! Go get your milk! You look at me like...
Didn't she say after she drinks her milk?
Yeah,
we
yeah.
have
After I drink it, not drink the whole damn thing.
ours?
You look at me like I'm a mean child. I'm like really sweating.
No. Me too.
Like my whole
I don't
upper
know,
body is like my underarms, so if I start stinking, I put deodorant on. So
Oh, thank goodness.
maybe need some extra.
Extra?
Extra. Some what?
Extra? It's extra.
Extra. Extra.
Extra. There's no Y or E in extra.
I should've.
Except at the beginning. The milk doesn't even really do anything for the burning.
No.
It was actually quite tasty. It was very good. I might would order one just to eat it.
I hope my number 2 doesn't hurt on the way out.
I have a fire extinguisher in the kitchen. Instead of toilet paper, just
I can't believe you just said that.
thanks.
Yummy.
This is a review for the Wendy's hot chicken sandwich. It's very, very good.
Yeah, it basically is a review.
I would order it.
I didn't make it or anything.
I would order it. Maybe not on a hot summer day,
Yeah, like today. Well, it's not summer yet, but it's still hot.
but in the winter, I would order it.
We're gonna have heartburn. I already feel it, like acid reflex.
I have times. I'm a mom. I'm always prepared. I have times.
Do you have any comments? No. And or facial expressions? No.
Would you eat it again? Oh, that's an expression. You don't even need good. You don't even need good for that face.
Do it again. What do you look like? Okay, we're done. We hope you like this video, and if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to watch more of our videos,